Somebody's still in the tree? Oh, somebody's got to hear me. That's that circle.
That's probably Terry's chair.
Oh no, it's moving. I think it's gone. I'm looking for a red hot.
Yeah, you'll see it periodically.
So,
I'll go on the other side.
You good? You're good.
so the black hot, like there's a branches, the tree with branches
That's
missing.
dark. That's cold.
That's the top
Black
of the
is cold.
tree. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like there's another one looking like that, very dark.
Another top of the tree. Oh, now the trees are red.
Yeah, it tentends to recalibrate when it's looking at stuff.
This looks like a bug here.
Yeah,
The bug's still breakdancing.
Yeah, not.
It would be big white. So what's this white stuff over here at the bottom of the tree? Rocks?
Yeah, sometimes the rocks will be white in color
Mm-hmm.
because they're worn. Yeah, sometimes animals will initially start white, but they get really white, and then they'll get.
So what's this
red.
right here?
Like right down there and stuff?
Yeah, right in this area.
Yeah, those are rocks.
Okay.
Probably rocks.
Mm-hmm.
And this is probably a tree trunk, but I'm just double checking.
Another warm spot, but not hot. It's just
warmish.
rock, warmer than ambient, but.
Yeah,
Oh
so
yeah,
those,
look at those rocks.
those are all rocks down there.
Those are rock stars right there.
Yeah.
Rock star. Right. That bug is like all over the place here. Okay.
You got them on your legs?
No.
Oh, I thought you were saying there were bugs all over.
Well,
the
there's something
place.
was crawling on my leg. That bug saying he's all over the page. Okay.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Hot sources.
so-
They're probably rocks, but
Those
that's
are rocks on top of the road.
Okay.
right. That looks like the
So
road.
this is that road that's
So-
behind the truck over here.
How do we know but between it goes from white to black? I mean, or white to red. So I'm looking for white right now. White hot.
No, you're
We'll see.
watching
You're looking for
orange.
whitish things and red things.
Okay.
Yes.
So if it's
we
red-
showed
Is it
up
red or
as
orange?
red,
It's red.
pink.
Okay.
So if it's red, then it's important.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, the color of the trees turned when you saw it that time.
Yeah, so I'm slide over here. You should see there the truck here in a second.
Sorry, I feel something crawling on my leg. Okay.
Okay, a road right
There's a
here.
road. Ooh, there's some red over. What's this?
Yeah, there was on the other.
Go
other
back to the top of the
direction.
page.
Oh, the road up there.
The red
Yeah, go
stuff here.
go up further.
Yeah, that's our vehicle.
Other way.
What's it's laying in front and behind the car.
Oh, that's us.
No, right here, behind this car.
Oh, that could be the
shadow?
engine,
Okay.
or just eats.
Whose car is that?
That looks like
Jamie's wife's.
Yeah, it's her
Okay.
car. Yeah, she'll have lots of residual heat for a long time.
Okay.
Yes, that's
There's
all.
a
of
red-
us.
that's your
all
heater?
of us over there,
Okay.
right? We're all standing next to my truck.
So that's
Which
red is your heater of your vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay. What's over here? This area right in here. It's
That's
kind
where
of
all
red.
the noise. Yeah, look at that right
This
there.
is
Some
red right
red
here.
right there.
Let's see.
That's like where all the noise.
There's
That's
one,
down.
two,
Yeah,
three.
that's on the border of noise. Because look at all.
There's three of these things here that are in a row.
Yeah, so that's the stuff that's by my RV or the
No, right here.
generator
No.
is.
No,
It's
it's
in
in
the-
the canopy of the tree.
Oh, in the tree.
Yeah,
further.
it's this area here.
That's what it looks like. 'Cause
They weren't moving.
It's
but-
weird. Yeah, over here.
Yeah, it's slightly red.
Yeah. So tree trunks tend to hold a lot of heat too.
Okay. So this fairly light pink, I'm not too worried about. It's just that when it seems to be concentrated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like see the side of Jamie's truck right there, that thing that in the window, that's really red.
Over here on this truck.
Yeah. Okay.
Right down there.
Wait, no, that's not his truck. Oh, his truck's over here. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm so fascinated by that.
Let's go up
Okay,
this
what do we got here?
We're going up the road.
This look like we're.
What's this white? White. Don't no worry about white. Just red.
Yeah, keep it just keep an eye on
Yeah.
it. When you see an animal, you'll
look
know
at
it.
all those rocks that could make a pattern.
There's something in the road
Sure, it's-
here. What is that dark spot?
Yeah,
Dark
dark as cold.
So
What is that? It's in the middle of the road.
Probably
something dead.
Okay.
Roadkill.
It's a rectangular shape.
Okay, yeah. Now we're looking.
I'm being serious.
This part of the hill is
Are-
very burnt, so it's kind of thin.
What's your altitude? Do you look close to those trees?
A little bit. I'm climbing. The hill climbs up right there. I gotta get some elevation on it.
Yeah,
something
exactly.
like
You're
that
looking
would be
at
perfect if it was orange.
that
Yeah.
direction.
Yeah.
The
Go back down here. This area here where my finger is, kind of this
Mhm.
way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there.
Okay. I thought I saw a flash of red, but barely.
Yeah.
All right,
Look for movement too.
gotta find me find
Honestly.
some animals, anything, deer. I like to find like at least a deer that's gonna.
To make sure it's working.
Yeah, exactly.
Prove that there's something out here
Still working.
alive
Yeah.
besides us.
Well, I did see a bear, so we know bears are here.
We know there's mosquitoes.
Absolutely, there you go.
Apparently,
How come we're not seeing the mosquitoes in here?
the mosquitoes do not show up on infrared. Apparently.
Why is that? Is they're not big enough?
Their
Because the
temperature is
bloodsuckers
isn't
under
greater.
It should be
than
full of
normal.
warm blood.
No. Well, after they feed, they might show up. And it's very beautiful in a way.
It's really amazing.
Now I know why I'm holding the
That's a
screen.
lot of.
All the gnats come to my face when I'm holding the screen.
Wait a minute.
What? You see?
Oh,
What is?
pan left.
Oh, that's on
Something-
top of
look
a
at-
tree.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on top of the tree.
Looked like
It's white.
something was running.
It was
No.
when they moved the tree.
Yeah.
It's just something at the
It's
top
See,
of the
doesn't
tree.
it
hang-
look like it could be running?
Yeah, it's hanging onto the top of the tree for dear life.
Yeah, nice
Yeah.
picture.
Swinging back and forth.
That's
yeah.
the kind of stuff I can't see because I'm doing other things.
Okay. Yeah, what are you doing over there?
I'm panning sideways along
Yes,
the
he's
hillside.
doing the flying.
That almost looks like
Making
a person, but it's not red.
What's they say in Top Gun? Do some of that pilot shit. Yeah,
Do some of that pilot shit.
He also wants to make sure he doesn't smack a tree.
yeah, well, that's it's good until we have some kind of a budget to replace this gear
Look at that. Looks like an open
or buy
spot
this
right
gear
there.
in the
Look at
first
that.
place.
Yeah. I feel like I need to sit down. This is a lot of work.
What's the hertz rate, refresh rate on this image? I mean,
50.
This
Okay.
It's heavy after a while.
so it should be showing up pretty quick.
Yeah.
If you pan over something, we should see it.
Oh yeah, you'll see it. Trust
Even
me,
if
you'll
it's
see it. You'll,
even if
Yeah, what's this over here? See where my finger is?
yeah, just another.
Yeah.
Just past. Is
Go
that-
back
is that
here.
another
There it
tree?
is. Now go back towards my belly here, this way. Right there, that white thing right there.
Yeah, hold there. It doesn't from this angle.
That
It doesn't look any different than any other
Yeah.
stump or
Well, the leaves pass
Tree.
by it. It looks like movement. Like it looked like it was moving,
yeah.
but it's white.
So
Well, it seems
we're
like
we're
it's
seeing it
getting
through the
blurry, so-
trees.
There's another one of those white things.
Yeah.
Are you sure this is a forest with animals?
Yeah, look at that.
yeah.
That could pass as a person if you didn't know
Yeah.
any better.
But I'm so. But what you said when we see the red, like these Martians are walking here. They're- I
No,
mean,
they're
they look a little red, but I think it's the trees.
Yeah, I'm too high.
Well, how much you been smoking?
pretty sure there's there's still an 8 hours bottle to throttle rule or something.
Oh yeah.
What does that mean?
Impossible to throttle.
Well, you got your pilot's license, both of them.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, I think we're
Are
good.
you over like Patterson
I'm
or are
down
you, are you
there.
east?
Yeah, I'm down over there.
Okay.
Mm.
We've just been hearing so much stuff down that side. I've been kind of focusing on that.
Okay. Now these are awfully dark.
Yeah, they just disappear as soon as it moves. So that's just
Yeah.
Tree.
darkness.
Yeah. I think those are trees. Almost like a double tree.
Cold trees. Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah, this is
and are we looking straight down or at what angle relative
Almost
to?
straight
Straight
down.
down,
I'm
good,
looking
okay.
forward just a little bit.
Right, because we need be looking down through the trees.
Yeah, and across looks it's
And,
really good.
all these backseat drivers here.
Yeah. Hey, we're looking for a Humboldt Martin.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I see
Officially,
those
that's
white
our
things.
story.
I'm so used to white hot.
Those are rocks probably.
yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, it's just a little bit hotter than the surroundings.
Mm.
Yeah, we're not
Right.
seeing.
If it's
Yeah,
alive,
where'd
it'll be
everything
red.
go?
Well,
They're cloaked out.
Wait.
Where is he?
Right there.
What was that?
Something went under the tree.
Yeah, I'm kind of.
Did you see that?
I'm kind of circling that.
No, I didn't.
I'm sure there's rocks. They just look like rocks. to
Every
me,
once in a
but-
while I see reddish, but it's like
Yeah, it was this pile right
Oops.
here,
Mm-hmm.
and it
Yeah,
like went
Okay.
under the tree.
like these guys here.
Yeah, I missed
No,
that
this one over here,
Yeah.
right there.
Why am I the only one getting bugs in my face?
That was actually really weird because that was something bright went under the tree.
Yeah, I missed that.
Well, it could just be angle moved. It didn't go anywhere. It was just the angle.
Too
of the
busy
tree
fighting
changed, so
bugs.
they went over it.
Yeah, I mean, these are tree tops
Yeah.
that we're seeing, and they show up. It's, you know, it's darker. I mean, there's one. And then the angle. Yep, that was damn close.
I'm just gonna show you that you guys want to see something extremely cute. Oh. Hang on.
Rock crack.
Oh. You know who that is? That's my Stevie,
That's funny.
8 hours old. Oh. And you're cute. Look at Glenn.
Wow.
Did you see this?
Nice.
So you can look at Stevie in a whole new light. Isn't he cute? He looked like me when he was born, but now he looks so much like his dad.
There we go.
See if that stirs up anything.
Yeah, actually, when Alex gets here, I want to ask him about it because that same guy I was talking about.
Of what?
That rubber?
I heard some.
Yeah, something over there made a sound. Anyway, when Alex
Here it is.
and Tate and some others went with that guy that was on the podcast to Florida and did an expedition down there when
That's my motorhome at Twin Lake.
they were coming out. They,
So that is higher than the camera. So that means that the head was level with the bathroom window up there. See?
During the day too.
Yeah, during the day. And that's at Twin Lakes, right there where you saw where the coach was.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is that me?
No, I mean like
No. This,
if you pointed.
something's interfering. Yeah, something's triggering it.
And not to mention right here, which is really curious about wrong way, where the motorhome is. Okay, you guys know how skinny the road is right here, right on the upper level of Twin Lakes, right here. Okay, we had our slides out too. Our slides are back here, and there was another one on the other side. Well, when we took the slide out, it overlapped the hill that goes down. You know, the hill that you have to take to go down to the lower level down here. And it stuck out and it blocked it. So whatever that was turned and walked
Okay.
towards the slide, and you know, it doesn't.
Was that white misty stuff before that?
Before the pic, yeah, here. I'll show you the what happened. Okay, so yeah, oops, sorry. It was this one, was the first pic. And it's like you see something coming. I don't know what the heck. Then you get this. And that's like, I don't know what that is. But I don't know if it's messing with the camera.
No,
something?
I got some photos. I'll show you that.
Okay. And then this.
it's interesting. Was it a burst of? Was it set to take? Do you know was a burst of photos like 3 or 5 photos when it's set off, or is it?
You know what? My cam is actually still on the same setting. I can look that up. Oh my gosh! I didn't even